Let's talk about parallel verb forms, shall we? Sounds good. All right, verb tense questions will test consistency between verb tenses, and that consistency is called parallelism. That's really important in this test, and you want to recognize when things are parallel and when they're not parallel in writing. So what is parallelism? It's when we use the same or related verb tenses within the same clause. Let's look at some examples so that makes more sense. John was going to get juice when he will have gotten apples too. Something sounds up with that. Something wrong with it. So let's check it out. John was going and he will have gotten apples too. Let's correct it. While John got juice, he got apples too. So there's parallelism there. We are keeping our verb tenses consistent. All right, let's look at another one. Sally eats fruit as she walked to school. Now this sounds wrong, and the reason is because we're going from present tense on this side to past tense here, and that is not maintaining parallelism. So let's correct it. Sally eats fruit as she walks to school. So now we've got present tense and present tense. She eats, she walks. Let's get another. All right, we ride to school on the bus and started our first class at 9 a.m. Once again, we've got present tense and then switched to past tense, and so that's incorrect. Here's the parallel version. We rode to school on the bus and started our first class at 9 a.m. So we've got past tense and past tense. Next example, his brother walks to school and often arrived ahead of us. So we've got present tense and then past tense. It's a mismatch, so no parallelism. Here's the correct version. His brother walks to school and often arrives ahead of us. So we've got present tense with present tense, and that's parallelism.